guys, my name is Abiodun James. This is Gypsum silly design. You can see the perfection. This is a lovely design from Abiodun James. This is Gypsum ceiling. We have two designs here. This is mixed ceiling. This is plain white. This is white. White. This is featured face. As you can see, it's a nice design for bedroom with one ceiling fan at the center. As you can see the perfection. You can contact Abiodun James for your gypsum ceiling design, POP ceiling design. We give you the best. As you can see the neatness. It's a nice design, good for living room, bedroom, hall, church, and mosque. Even you can as well use it at your warehouse. It's a lovely design. You can contact Abiodun James. As you can see, this is LED lights at the center. You can see. If you want to change it to blue color, you can change it. As you can see, it is LED lights with the blue color. And you can as well change it to blue and white. That's the blue and white. You can change it to white color. So you can contact Abiodun James for your gypsum ceiling design. We'll give you the best. And it is very strong. It will carry your ceiling fan. I will hold the ceiling fan for you to see. As you can see, the fan is running. So it's very strong. It can hold your ceiling fan without shaking. As you can see, the fan is running. It's working perfectly. The fan is working perfectly, as you can see. You can contact Abiodun James on 08063098718 for your lovely gypsum ceiling design with black grid, with white grid, with gold grid. We give you the best on each of the sample you requested for. As you can see, this is lovely one from Abiodun James. This is featured and 574 design at the center. As you can see, this very beautiful design from us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn down the notification below so that can be updated when we upload the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.